Every time I'm about to start a project, I freeze. I know it will put pressure on me, and as a result I'm afraid to not be able to handle it. And then suddenly everything starts to be interesting, so I get distracted and never start. My mornings are always the same. I wake up, I do some exercise, calisthenics or running. I have breakfast, an apple. After, I like to read a good book and meditate a bit about my life. I also make plans for the future, but nothing changed. At least until the other day. I was doing my classic run when suddenly a dog wanted to eat me. Mamma mia, I ran like not even use a dog could. And then finally I understood. I ran faster because I was under so much pressure. I also realized that I always wanted different and bigger results while doing the same things. In short, the pressure I was experiencing wasn't enough to push me to achieve them. So I embarked on a new adventure. Rome. So I discovered that, at least for me, living with my family was too easy. I've been here in Rome for a couple of weeks now, and living alone is a whole new level of pressure. Managing the finances between rent and bills, plus all the other tasks and the logistic of them, is not easy at all. Actually, it's so difficult that it turns into fun, like when I wanted to cook and I didn't have the pans, or when after getting them I wanted to wash them and I didn't have the sponge, nor soap. I'm sure for many people this is easy, probably because they've gotten used to this level of pressure. And that's exactly my point. I often see successful people with the results that I want. But I forget that they didn't get it for free, and they still aren't. That person is dealing with pressure on a different level than me, and if they stop, it's probably over, unfortunately, or rather, fortunately. We cannot have the job, the body, or the life of our dreams overnight, but we can take the steps to get there. Like working out, I know it puts a lot of pressure on many, but I don't find it uncomfortable anymore. I've normalized it, and that gave me a new level of tangible results. But many people who want the results wouldn't be able to maintain the pressure of working out and eating well almost every day, or at least they wouldn't give it the same priority. And this can be applied to everything. If it's difficult to invest a small amount of money because of the risk of losing them, I'll never be able to handle the pressure of doing it with much more money. The same with social media. Bro, literally for me creating this video was already a very high level of pressure, mamma mia. Wow, it's incredible how all this trip and living alone now comes from a dog that wanted to bite me. Anyway, it's amazing how no one guarantees you anything except your hard work generated by the pressure that you put on yourself. But that's the beauty of it. If we already knew everything, what would be the point of living? Where would the motivation be? From this experience I learned that if you feel it, you have to close your eyes and throw yourself into the project, and that you don't need to know step 4 or 5 if you haven't even done step 1.